In this episode, we explore CVE 2025-13372, a SQL injection vulnerability in Django's filtered relation feature. Discovered by Stacked, it allows attackers to inject SQL into column aliases via dictionary expansion in query set.annotate, or alias, on PostgreSQL. The issue affects Django 5.2 before 5.2.9, 5.1 before 5.1.15, 4.2 before 4.2.27, and possibly older unsupported series. Debian has released patches as part of a broader advisory fixing SQL injection, directory traversal, and denial of service flaws. Stay tuned as we break down the details and what you need to do. This vulnerability is tracked as CVE 2025-13372 and was published on 2025-12-02. It impacts Django maintained by the Django Software Foundation, DSF. Affected releases include 5.21x, 5.2.9, 5.1.x, 5.1.15, and 4.21x, 4.2.27. Unsupported series such as 5.0x, 4.1x, and 3.2x were not evaluated, but may also harbor the flaw. Debian has released updated Django packages in its security advisory to address this and other issues. CBW89, improper neutralization of special elements used in an SQL command, SQL injection. The flaw resides in how FilteredRelation constructs column aliases when receiving arbitrary key names via equals. On PostgreSQL backends, a maliciously crafted alias key can inject raw SQL, bypassing the ORM's usual safeguards. When you call query set annotate trans a quargs or query set alias quargs with a custom dictionary, Django expands keys into column aliases. An attacker who controls those keys can embed SQL fragments. For example, passing name drop table users, hoist or filtered relation, may be triggers unintended SQL execution. Because it only affects PostgreSQL, MySQL and SQLite installations are safe from this specific flaw, but any Django-powered app on PostgreSQL using FilteredRelation is at risk. Exploitation can lead to data exfiltration, schema manipulation, or privilege escalation via crafted queries. To protect your applications, upgrade Django immediately to 5.2.9, 5.1.15, 4.2.27 or later. If you rely on Debian packages, apply the latest security update that also includes fixes for directory traversal and DOS issues. Review any code using query set.annotate or alias with dynamic keys, especially if those keys derive from user input. Stay vigilant. Ensure you're subscribed to Django and Debian security advisories to catch critical updates as soon as they're released.